All right, so we're gonna do a quick trade recap. As of today, I wanted to be bullish either way for all-time highs. As you guys see, we have this new week opening gap here and this new week opening gap here, but I don't think they're ever gonna get tapped for the time being, just because how bullish price is and market sentiment right now and everything. So coming into the day, daily profile-wise, we had London manipulation with this huge move, and we also had SMT with ES. As you guys see, didn't sweep previous day low here on ES. We did, creating SMT. So I was very bullish as of this morning. And then I also saw that at 1 a.m. we had this huge down candle. I think it ended up being some news with like the yen or some shit. Nothing US related, but created a price void. And it was just a good draw on liquidity for me. As you guys see, full price void right there. I labeled it data highs in quotes because it's not really news, but definitely not a like regular move. So yeah, we had the 1 hour SMT. Don't worry about this first presented gap of the week. I just been marking it out on the chart because it's pretty good confluence. As you guys see, we perfectly reacted out of it, but I'm not sure how to like fully utilize it yet. So off the SMT, come market open. Everything's balanced to the downside, except for we have, what do we have? No, yeah, literally everything was balanced and everything was bullish. So coming to market open, we created another SMT, sweeping out these lows on NQ, but we didn't get the sweep on ES. So that was super bullish for me. And now that I know this, if we ever get a setup like this again in the morning, right off open, I'm taking the first gap that I see, which would have been the first presented gap. I did want to take this. I should have probably got in on eval or something, but would have been a good entry. Could have threw stops below the SMT and TP, but this is the actual entry I ended up getting. I took this limit order, this 1 minute CISD. I didn't get filled on any of this. I just didn't want it. I wanted to retrace. So off the second SMT, I waited for the 5 minute to break up. We ended up getting a break, disrespecting all of this. And I limit ordered a 1 minute CISD as we're coming out of 15-minute confluence as well. And this ended up being my fill here. And I had stops below here because below this gap wasn't really protected. So kind of a big stop loss for the day. But overall, I wanted, obviously, these highs with the price void. And midnight open was also a really good draw. And then obviously we have Asia highs, daily highs. But none of them ended up hitting. As soon as we came up, got up to here, I went break even as this was previous day high, I believe. So yeah, once we took out previous day high, I went break even and we got clapped. But overall, really good trade execution. For the future, I'll definitely get in on the first inverse gap. But yeah, as you guys see, this is how we reacted off the first presented gap of the week. As you guys see, we closed pretty much all the way in it, hit the midpoint, and then hit the upper point again, and then flew to our draws on liquidity. So right about where price wanted to go, didn't get the delivery, is what it is. Back for it tomorrow for another recap.